Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Natural Eternal Beauty. I hope you all are safe and doing well. I'm your host JJ. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. Today we will discuss about top 10 ways to prevent hair loss. I know it is a very sensitive topic to talk about. The people who are facing this issue are suffering with an ample amount of anxiety and stress, and it is really heartbreaking. Hair loss is one of the most common problems worldwide, affecting one third of population. There could be many causes of hair loss, which includes diet, mineral and vitamin deficiency, medication, stress, pollution, and heredity. That means the passing physical and mental features genetically from one generation to another. If you talk about men, putting on a cap, hat, or helmet could be the another reason for hair loss. In women, majority of women face hair loss due to pregnancy and abortions. Let's talk about top 10 effective solutions to prevent hair loss. First, wash your hair with mild herbal shampoo. It will help you to clean the hair and scalp. Doing so, you are lowering down the risk of infections and dandruff. However, do not wash your hair frequently or every day. It will reduce the natural oil present in your scalp. If you want to know how to make a herbal shampoo at home, I will make a video on that. Let me know in the comment section. Let's get on to the second solution, which is take some supplement like vitamin A, B, and E. Vitamin A to encourage overall production of sebum within the scalp. Vitamin E will help you to enhance the blood circulation, and vitamin B can help you to maintain the natural color of your hairs. The third solution is eating lean meat, fish, and eggs to promote overall fitness and hair health. If you are vegan, then you can opt for soy products, which is tofu. You can also go for beans, lentils, yogurt, milk, cheese, nuts, and seeds. In seeds, you can have pumpkin seeds and sunflower, and you can also eat peanut butter. Now, the number 4, massage your scalp with essential oil. You can use bhringraj, brahmi, diluted with coconut oil or almond oil. You can add lavender essential oil to an almond oil or sesame oil. Now, the number 5, avoid brushing wet hairs because the chance of hair loss increase. Now, it's time for a home remedy, which will be our point number 6. From ancient time, garlic, onion, and ginger juice are being used as a home remedy. You can rub one of the juice on your scalp, leave it overnight, and wash it in the morning. Do it on regular basis. You will notice the improvement over time. The tip number 7 is stay hydrated. Drink at least 11 glasses of water in a day. Coming to the point number 8, which is a green tea solution. Massaging green tea in your scalp may help you to reduce the hair loss problem. All you need to brew 2 bags of green tea or about 2 teaspoons of green tea in 1 cup water. Then leave it to cool down. After that, apply it on your hair. Keep it for an hour. Then rinse it with the normal water. To see results, practice this regularly for a week to 10 days. Now, the solution number 9, avoid alcohol and smoking. If you are experiencing hair loss, then cut down the alcohol intake. Smoking cigarettes reduce the amount of blood that flows to the scalp. Now, the last and the most important, number 10, do some stretching, exercise, and opt for meditation to reduce the stress level. If you are facing severe hair loss, consult a dermatologist as soon as possible. For today, that's all I wanted to share with you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope this information will help you. If you have any query, comment below. I will try to give you the best solution. If you like to get this kind of information, do subscribe and share this video with your friends. Thank you.